Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send crypto from KuCoin to MetaMask or how to buy crypto from KuCoin to MetaMask. It's really simple and easy. First of all, what you have to do is just go to KuCoin.com and from there you will have to create an account. If you have already, you just need to log into your account, and when you are logged in, you have to tap on this assets here. It will take you to this page right here. From here, you will see your total assets. You will need to click on one of those and transfer them to funding. Once they are here, you will see this option here. It says withdraw. Just simply tap on it. And as you can see, I have to complete this identity verification in order to use all the options. But I will explain it quickly how it looks. So from withdraw, you will need to have a plugin MetaMask right here. If you don't know how to get that, you can check out a video. From there, you will just go to MetaMask, and once you have logged in, you can see you will need to be on Ethereum mainnet, and from there you will just need to copy this address. It says wallet address. You just copy that and you just choose the token you wish to use and click on that. And once you have done that, you will be able to transfer to your MetaMask account. So it's that simple. You just connect the two and copy the information from your MetaMask wallet. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.